Hi friends. Now let us take up the fourth training session in our Python Feel Good web series. In this training session, I am going to explain you only two programs, solid programs. The first one, that is a PFG5, fifth program, preparation of students' marks report. This is a solid program. For a beginner, it is a wonderful program. Actually, in this, I am going to explain new things. From the beginning, I am telling you one thing. Don't feel like a college goer. College goer, just they get result that is enough for them. They do not know professionalism. In our system, I propagate one thing. From the day one, think like a professional and work like a professional. For that, what you have to do? Simply calling as a professional, you may not be become professional, but you should know the professional practices that I am going to explain from this program. Actually, for all of us, any new job if you take up, however simple it is, starting troubles are there. Starting trouble. So, without overcoming starting troubles, we cannot complete the task. That's why, how to overcome the starting troubles. Once you overcome the starting troubles, you may complete the job. So, that's why we should avoid the starting trouble. For that purpose, certain techniques I explain to you. Actually, for performing any job, two parts are there, mental work and physical work. Once you complete the mental work perfectly, thereafter you can complete the physical work properly. Understand? Here, just a simple example I give you. Actually, you want to go for a holiday trip for 1 week. 1 week. Then, lot of mental work you do that. Just today got an idea, immediately by evening you never go. It is a holiday trip for 1 week. Then lot of mental work. What are the elements in that? Which places you have to visit? Who will accompany you? Where to stay? How much is the budget? Which articles you have to purchase? Which arrangements you have to make? All that, a big list of things are there. First, mentally you find out solutions, answers for them. Thereafter, you start implementation, like booking hotels, booking for transportation, purchasing things, etc. And that is implementation. First mental work, thereafter physical work. Actually, in programming also, you have to do the same. First, you have to complete the mental work. By that means, in mind, you have to finish the program first. In mind, thereafter, you have to start your coding. Understand? Here, the mental work in this context it is called design. First, you complete the design work. In design, many things are there. Later, I explain to you. Understanding problem, understanding solution, and many things are there. All that mental work we complete. Thereafter, you start typing the program. Normally, what college students go do, whenever a task is given, immediately they start typing. That means they never do any mental work. That's why getting a result is a chance for them. Sometimes they may get, sometimes they may not get. So otherwise they waste, instead of spending half an hour, they spend 2 hours also. That problems are there. So here, with reference to this program, I am going to explain what is the professionalism, what are the professional practices. Even though you are 3 days old in the system, even though you hereafter you work like a, you think like a professional and work like a professional. In this preparation of students mark report, simple mark report only we prepare, student name, class number, roll number, 5 papers, names of 5 papers, marks in that, total mark, average marks. But what we don't do, actually, that grading and all that we don't give, because next step in a fast track series we go for giving, evaluating grade, etc. and all that. For that, little more extension of this program. In this, total marks and average mark percentage only we calculate, and we print the mark report in an elegant manner. That point you have to understand. All these points I explain. That's why in the trains only two programs I have given. Next one, sixth one, preparation of weekly temperature report. Actually, daily temperatures, you have to prepare weekly temperature report. That means starting from Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days, 7 days temperatures you have to record, and you prepare a statement, and you have to find out total temperature of the week and average temperature of day. You have to calculate and nicely in an elegant manner you have to present it. Once again, I am telling you, whenever you are recording temperatures and all that, those should be realistic. Actually, temperatures, you know that in a particular area it may be from 20 to 30, 35, 40, but abnormally 60, 70, as you like, you should not make. Okay, some places it might be there, but don't take into consideration normal temperatures, whatever are prevalent in an area, you take it, and day-to-day temperature difference also not much. All these things you have to take into consideration while preparing weekly temperature report, and don't behave abnormally. Abnormally, that only I am telling you. If you have common sense, and that is represented in your program. If you don't have common sense and all that, the temperature as you like. One day you put 11, other day you put 72, other day 91, like that you put. So your program may be correct. See, a professional sees your program, immediately you understand that you don't have any discipline, you don't have any common sense. That's why your program or documents your stature. That point you have to understand and proceed.